welcome to day 12 of our unboxing series. We are super excited to bring you another video and to bring you one step closer to discovering what is in our mystery box up here. So today, Ms. Shaw is going to pick a box for us.
Yep, I'm going to take this one right here. Pretty light. So, probably not a camera, no battery symbol on it.
No.
Other than that, we have zero idea what's in here. Well, I might have some idea because I did order all this stuff, but I've been wrong a couple times. We have more pillows.
Here we go.
Oh, check it out. What does this tell us?
This tells us that there could be another camera in one of these boxes.
I think you might be right. We might have a scavenger hunt for yet another camera bag. So day 12 brings us a third camera bag, which tells us that most likely there was another camera in one of these boxes, which would be awesome because then we'd be up to how many cameras?
That would be a total of 6.
6. Game changer for the program. So excited. I hope there's another camera in there and we didn't just get another extra bag by mistake.
Definitely. That way we could have 6 different teams of video production groups all around doing their filming at the same time.
Yep.
We could also have 3 running cameras that are super consistent for WBUS 75.
Exactly.
If you haven't seen any of our episodes, please go watch them. They are awesome. Our editing team is fantastic. Our producing team is fantastic. And so is our cast and crew. We love them at WBUS 75.
See you tomorrow for day
13.
13. Hope it's a camera.